Why uzenza so? Vula mehlo.
Ama China eyes avuleka.
These natural China eyes, guys.
These natural.
Yebo sanibonani, yebo unjani? Guys, let's be honest. China eyes, guys.
China eyes.
Like
Kisses send a rose.
Mili.
Ni hao.
Shishine.
Ni hao ma.
Inauma.
Shishini.
Shishine auma.
Shigane.
Mi auma shina.
Chocolate.
Chifta.
Miau na. Chocolate toa. Chocolate.
Attitude. Now walk out.
Oh, let's shine a line. Yeah, let's do this.
Yo, 5 roses. 7, 8, 9. 9 roses by Senzeni. 26-29.
Wow, Senzen. Pose. Attitude, ne? Go away.
I'm the princess of the government of the
Ladies first.
No, boys first.
Pose again.
Gentlemen. Yes.
Attitude.
Ima. Pose 1, 2, 2.
Attitude. Now I go. Ooh.
Attitude. Now walk out. What's that attitude? Attitude. I romance. Attitude. Yeah, bro. Now walk away. Attitude. Now walk out. Ay, cancela.
Okay, yaqala ke. Hamba qala ke.
Gentlemen.
What's again?
Attitude like a girl. Attitude like a girl.
Nah,
bro.
you start.
But you know.
Nah, you start.
You start. You're complaining.
Recording. Attitude like a girl.
That means you're not
Attitude.
I am gonna do it.
If you like.
I swear to God.
Eh?
I swear to God.
I
Swear to God. Yeah, sir. Ready? Attitude. Nah, that's not being girly.
Okay, do it.
You
Show
do
me how to
you,
be a
nah,
girl.
you do
How
it.
to be a girl.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Attitude. Now I go. Okay.
Attitude. Now walk away.
Okay.
Meaning. Attitude. Now walk away. I was just switching on my phone. None of my earpiece work.
Attitude. Attitude.
Okay, now let's showcase our talents.
Okay.
Like a talent like a look actor with like if bagati bagniges role. I can start.
Okay. No, we're gonna tell you the role. You
Okay.
act.
Okay, guys. They're gonna give me a role. Then I act. Ne?
Yeah.
So maman.
Yeah,
So copy set.
So upset.
Okay, but a role yeah.
Okay. Mike is gonna be a girl who is asking money from a father or boyfriend.
Nah, change it.
Let's go. Show us that you're an actor.
Okay. I'm a guy. Give me a role.
No.
Nah, that's cheating. That's cheating. Nah, boy. Never, boy. Give me. You know that no, man. Guys, never. It's not the same.
Are you sure? Act like a girl who's asking money from a boyfriend.
As a guy, no, don't feel serious. Nah, dog. Nah, I won't do it. Never. Dog, come on,
1 million.
Never done.
Act like a girl.
Just give me maybe like a serious one.
He's serious, be like a serious girlfriend.
Like
Mikey.
your girlfriend is telling Mali and obtaining a phone. Like lay out, lay cheat.
No, you're right. And action.
Which ikama like
Yo, Mikey.
No, Mike, man, nigga, no, chick.
Mike.
Ntombazana Priscilla.
Action.
Mara Mikey. Oh, is the okay. Give me a man thing. I'm telling you, dog.
Bro, we don't care, bro. And action.
Mara Mikey, so. Dog, give me a guy. Nah, I won't cope, dog. I won't cope. Okay. Me, man, take Salaga, Salisega, man, I won't. Oh, some dinner, ne?
Oh.
Sis.
Sala
Thomasan, man.
Yeah.
Sala likes to know any.
Yeah,
Give me a man. But nah, we're changing it.
Mike is gonna act like an auntie asking money from an uncle if he can really act. Do it. Name's a nigga. Do it. So you can act.
I can't.
Okay, Mike cannot act, so he failed. So now we just zammering him. Act like
Baguzi, sondela baguzi.
Mike is gonna act like an uncle who just got work and he's broke again.
What's in it?
Act like an uncle who just got work but he's still broke.
Imisebenzi ayibhadali man. Na 3 years ngingenile kule company kodwa ngisebe. Oh, let me start all over.
Yeah, that's an umbrella.
Okay, it starts like this. Wemili. Go sondela. Sondela. Ngiyazi ngiyasebenza. Kodwa imali yami angazi iphelela kumbe iphelele etshwaleni. Ngiyazi ngiyaphuza. Kodwa i12 incane. Mhlambe le 24 incane.
Cut. Okay, guys. After this, we're gonna rate who was the best. Now, Millie,
Sondela.
come act. Mike is take your stick. You're gonna need it. Take your stick. You're gonna need it. And your glasses.
That's a 10 out of 10, guys. That's pure acting. That's talent. Talent, Lilia. Talent.
Give me uncle.
What?
Millie is going to be the male teacher in the school who is rude. And
Action. Imo kat rasa ne bagus.
Okay. Wow.
2 Action.
Elinda bantwana. Sure. Guys, you're pissing me off. Nayifuna induku. Yawona siphesile. Ngangiphapheli.
Okay.
Hey. Yo. Dana. Uyayibona le? Uzoyithola.
Mara mimi ngenzeni?
Irafle.
Mimi ngenzeni?
Uyenzengani? Eyenzeni noyito baby?
Kodwa mimi mara angithi nosiphokazi uyarasa ngale.
Khuluma nosiphokazi mina.
Yo.
Kodwa mina mimi angenzanga next musimeme.
Memu yakuphendula memu.
Ngithe ngiphendule first of all.
Sorry memu.
Sorry for what?
Memu mshayi.
Kodwa mimi mara angithi nomandla uyarasa ngale muva ngapha kamazu babakhe.
Yo. Mara mina ngenzeni?
Uyenza wrong yini awuzibona? Zathatha.
Mkhiphe memu eklasini yasirasela.
Detention.
Detention yani.
Hayi.
Uyasirasela inunuka umlomo.
Memizwa. Done.
And now we have
Now sinikeza uGrebs i-character. Grebs.
That's an auntie.
Grebs. You are a Nigerian who lives in Capton Park. Oh, Nizule, ne? Grebs is gonna act like a Nigerian who lives in Capton Park. He loves money. He loves young girls. At the age of 20, young girls, I mean like 20, not pants, ne? He's desperate for money. Agatati like next.
Nonsense.
Me, mananya ukhulume lelo gama. Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. Nasimti stay for 2 minutes, ne? Action.
Baby girl, come marry me. You know I love you, huh? Don't do that to me. I'm not this little boy suppose and demandless, you know? I love you. I want to marry you. I want to take you to Nigeria, show you good, nice time now. God, you see this ring? Big ring could buy mansion. Could buy you a lot of, you know? Don't be like that now. You see me living in Kelton Park. I'm just living in Kelton Park just to do what, to make money for you to chop now. You have to chop lots of money. You have to look beautiful, wear beautiful dresses, designer dresses, all this sling now. You see this? This is from Louis Vuitton just for you to wipe your tears when I make you cry. Because I know I'll be making mistakes, but I don't want to make the mistake. The mistake I'll be making is not by me, but by the devil. I blame the devil if I cheat on you.
Going to beat Bafana.
Nah? You see Bafana?
Yeah.
I beat it. I always bet against Bafana and I always win. The last time I did not bet. AI.
10, 9,
I'm tired now.
8,
You see now?
7,
When they say 2,
6,
let it be me and you.
5.
When they say 1, because if you want for me, they be there. What the? Wallah. My father is the president. I am the organ law of my country. What would they do to me now? What would they do to me?
And Chai. Okay. Let's hear Amma vote now.
Who was the best?
Who was the best?
Me.
Let's see. Sondela ngapha.
Oh,
Millie.
Emma, wait.
Millie.
I really want to find.
Millie. Millie.
Mike, Millie. Oh, decline. Oh, Gabs, at least they won finally.
Okay.
Millie.
Yo, but
Militant
hi,
win.
Mike. Okay.
Gabs.
Aye,
You
boy.
see that? Gabs.
Emma, Millie.
Gabs and Millie. Oh my God, Millie. Gabs.
Okay, can you open like a poll to see like abantu abavota you?
A poll usually happens when it's 2 names. If people do 2 names, this was very
2 names.
Mm.
Can it be a competition maybe between the 2 of us? Then win a competition between the 2 of us. Oh, we know.
No, Auntie sent a gift.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you too much.
People are saying
Decline.
media a lot, yo. Mike Peary, okay. Nigerian
Nigerian guy,
Okay, so-
100 grabs times 10,000.
Okay. So
Mike
go around le.
Who?
So go around le. Oh, thank you. Okay, now.
Okay, I sent them so. Yo. Most Millie times 100.
Okay, the winner here is
is
Umili,
Millie,
guys.
yeah.
Umili,
By
guys.
far.
Yo, Mara, Ganjan, dog, you the one.
Ganjani,
was supposed to
we
win.
helped her though.
You the one was supposed to win.
Nah, we helped her though. So she had characters. Millie won. I saw you guys. Millie won. Okay.
Mili one. Okay, let's start all over.
Oi,
now.
thank you for the gift. Oi, Nabs. And goes for the 4 gifted roses. 4 characters. Chabo is in the live.
Okay, now let's change.
Okay.
Maybe like
Should we still act or show people our talent?
Yeah, guys, you said you're going to copy me.
Aquana sent a gift. Thank you, Aquana.
What gift? What gift?
Just sent a gift.
Man.
Aquana.
No back on. Move.
Young Chief.
Beg a little phone.
Utin.
Yeah, beg a little phone. Big phone. Now should we continue with the challenge or
Okay. Can I get one more Nigerian character? Then I'm the one who's starting now.
Hey, can I start this now?
now which character are we giving?
Not
Let's give
you.
you the challenge a problem child. Be a problem child.
Can I be a Nigerian too?
Okay.
I mean, who comes already to Nigeria? must-
Okay,
Aye.
be Zimbabwe. Be Zimbabwean. Give me. Other thing. Be Nigeria start.
Nigeria start. Steps.
Okay, Nigerian what now?
Nigerian housewife. Nigerian housewife. As many like telling. And you have 30 seconds. You have like 1 minute or 30 seconds.
1 minute.
1 minute. It is fair.
60
Change the time,
seconds.
Allah.
60 seconds.
Okay, so he's gonna start.
60.
Me, hlala esitulweni. So, una 1 minute, ne? He has 1 minute to act like a Nigerian
Thank you,
housewife.
Lebu, for commenting.
Thank you.
Who is that? Olga?
1 minute, okay. We went to 3 hours. right?
No, relax, young science.
Captain.
Ready? Okay, it's 1 minute. Ne? He has 1 minute to act like how.
This song.
1 minute to act like a housewife, and his time starts now.
Cancel. I was still getting in character.
Okay, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Oh yeah. Make me a Toti. Like maybe Kunzi or something.
Who?
Me. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
3,
Tatele the phone.
2,
Nigga phone no you press retard.
1. Mfukamele ngibone thatha leyo mos. 3, 2, 1. Action.
Beautiful phone of mine now. Beautiful, very beautiful. I'll be tapping my phone now. Aren't you robbing me? Cut. Now I'm going to do it alone. This stupid man robbed me of my phone. Igwe man. If I told the Igwe about this, the Igwe will not believe me. I have 7 kids, different fathers, and I know the rich one is the president, but he does not want to support my child or my marriage. I've been here living in this country, South Africa, but I'm not getting any job. Give me 500, I'll tell you the truth. I've been staying in this country for more than 50 years, but I'm only 23. I have 3 kids. 3 kids. His name is Palisa, the other is Michael.
Cut.
Yeah, I tried, bro.
Hey boy, yeah. Oh yeah.
Puti,
Yeah?
that's a mistake to say I have 7 children. Man, that's a way to
Do you think it was a mistake in Nigeria?
Yeah, Niger. Oh! Ding! Millie, next.
What?
You acting like a problem child straight. The way you act on a call now, and I'll change.
Just be you.
Be you. Nick assist me. Give a laugh for when. Yeah? Awesome.
A mean girl.
Yeah.
Okay. 1,
Yeah.
2,
So then,
go 30 time and
3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, girl. Oh! But my mother brought me an iPhone 17 Pro Max, girl. Not iPhone 15. That is fake. No. You know these glasses, they are so expensive. You can even buy a car with them. Maybe a Lamborghini. Look at my outfit. 10 billion. No, look at your outfits. No. No. It's so ugly.
Ooh.
Look at my hair.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yours is ugly. Like, I know some bubble gum. Do you have a bubble gum?
Mm-hmm.
My friend, my mom, so she can send me 10K. Hi!
Yeah.
Girls with drama.
Ah.
Now Mike is going to act like
A gentleman. A rich man.
Uh,
A rich man.
you've been okay. Mike is going to act like a rich
A man.
man from England, British accent.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
British. But I don't know the accent of British. I don't know.
Okay, no. Mike is gonna act like a colored guy from the
You
Kasi.
see?
Ah!
And start.
Start.
Excelani. Do you know that I can steal your phone and still sell it to you? Hey, Koala. Exe, I'm talking to you. Do you know that I can steal your phone and sell it to you at the same time?
You can't.
Oh, you doubting me?
Yeah. You know how much is this phone?
Pay 1 minute. I got paid 1 minute. Mphelelo. Ungajabhisi. Ungajabhisi asimelele 1 minute iphela.
Uphelelwe.
And 1 minute is out.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, ngicela nithi kune mina ngicela ngihlonipha ama 290.
Namanga.
Buzan, who won this one?
Me.
Okay, who? Okay, just rank us from like number 1, number 2, number 3.
Millie,
Yeah.
Millie, Millie.
Millie again.
Kantonu Mike
Guys,
nangu
please
Mike
come to
yeah.
Ivory Park. We're in Ivory Park. What are you saying?
Mike, you
Millie Joy,
have
it's Millie.
Millie one.
Millie won. Nah, bro. The odds are against us.
Umile kantonu wina kangaka ile umila yenzile ngaka kanti. Oh yeah.
Yo, Millie times 29.
37 38.
Yo, done 1.3k
Eh.
viewers on your live.
Uyahamba na.
489, bro.
Millie.
Okay,
times
next competition,
73,
Gav.
77. See,
Next competition, Gav.
guys, thank you.
Who can sing? Yeah.
Okay, who's starting now?
Really?
Me? No.
Can I start?
Yeah.
Can I start? Nge time. 7 time.
Yeah.
No, 30 seconds. Because
One.
I do that for you. No, no, press 0.
Ha, milli times 130. Alright guys, so go right. We not Mike. Okay, nyanibona guys. Yeah, nizo laba bathe Mike 200. Okay, should I start?
Perhaps good
Yeah. Starting now.
This song is for my mother and my father and especially my parents. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down until you feel the rain. I've been scanning, Cupid on it. Fast this all.
30 seconds.
Okay, come here, good.
A minute. No, it's you, Millie, now.
No, it's you.
Ooh,
Why me?
ooh.
Oh, they're still saying Millie. Oh,
Ready?
Mohsen Mike. Ready? Okay, move. Again.
Ready?
Yo,
3,
our poor ears,
Wait.
bro.
2, 1.
That.
When I find someone like you, I wish nothing but the best for you. Yeah, I'm done.
30 seconds ayikapheli.
Don't forget me, how will I remember?
11
You
seconds.
say sometimes I love, sometimes I love.
Ungakhali.
How was that, guys? Huh? How was that, guys?
Next, Millie.
Wasn't that beautiful?
Ready? Move.
Move. Set the
I'm
time.
going to do
3,
this next. This
2,
one, this.
1. Nine, Mike. 3, 2, 1. Action.
I miss my cocoa body. This is how smile.
Yes, Ropa.
Yes, Ropa,
You
Millie,
look good in the choir. You look good in the choir.
Millie, man, isikhathi phela.
Wow.
1, 2, 1. Go.
I miss my cocoa body. This is how it smells when you listen. And no competition, just complete for intuition and you like.
Okay.
I know I'm not gay, so baby I'll be flipping it. And that's late night. Who'll be out your mind? Look out your time. Oh, you be bothering me, so I'm gonna make you mine. You used to text with me, tricking me, calling me a slide. And now you're treated like I'm like
Chile.
Okay, we lost again.
So, who won, guys? Who won? Who won, guys? Who won?
Akona, thank you for the gift. Wow.
Yeah.
Akona is sending gifts. Nice. Guys, who won? Me, this who won 140.
156, bro. We're not winning this at all.
Mike, now Mike, ngiyabona this guy's ningiphithemba. I can see Mike. Ningiphithemba. So, now it's a dancing challenge.
Okay. Challenge Friday, young 25.
Yeah,
That is 45. Oh.
Cala mina. Sijayiva kungena ngoma noma
Yeah, I
kungena
can go.
kungena
No,
ngoma.
you guys are cheating.
Akunangoma.
Yeah, 1. Okay, thanks. Balu 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yo, 6 and 10 gifts. I can't. 0, 3,
3, 2, 1,
1, 0.
That's some energy there. That's some energy there.
Shh.
That's some energy there.
That's my cook get ready to me. Okay.
Wow.
That's some energy there.
Last time you were the last person.
Yeah, I mean, who and why?
New Bambi.
I'll tell you. Ciao.
Driver.
Driver.
1, 2,
No, wait.
no,
1, 2. You wait.
10,
Touchdown.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Chile. 3, 2, 1. On the floor. On the floor. Chile.
Low battery.
Who won that one, guys? Who won the winner layer, guys? Come on, guys. Let's see the comments now. Who won that one? Eh? Mike. Eh? Eh? Yabong, Mike.
What's it?
Mike. They're Mike. Eh?
Number 1. You.
Check Mike 35,
Me.
Mike 39, Mike 45. Come on, guys.
Never.
What's up, Mike? 66, yeah? 77, 82, yeah? 84, 87. Come on, 95. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mike? Yeah? Dala Ginchela, guys. The number no Chris Brown. Like, no babam.
Akona send gifts again. Thank you, Akona, for the gift.
Yeah, I can't be easy, ne? Pega what's Mike, Mike, it's 130. Chip tak pas zap pela chip. Kulani zap now me. 1, 2, 1, 2. Kulani zap. Kulani zap. Nyakela ke.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Ngiyakucelela ke Friday
Vele uthi zap. Vele uthi zap. Milos.
Uholile ndixelela ngakundi ndixelela
Hos.
ngama zap. Eyona man zap. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ayibona ma zap. Ngitshela ngama zap.
Ngiyabonga.
Zap.
But love.
Ngitshela ngama zap. Wina zap. Ngitshela ngama zap. Ngitshela ngama zap.
Yo, 1.6. Wow. No, next competition.
Okay, next competition is who is the strongest?
Me.
Kukapela, someone or something.
Something.
And Millie carries
No, I want something heavy.
Mike.
No, why?
Kukamina.
I'm trying.
Try.
Lessons are tattooing in.
Yeah.
Tana, So. Cookie.
What's this?
Yeah. Cookie.
You know where the danger is? Hey, Butata, hey, Patata, hey. Yo, it's just a jokes. No one really fair. It's just a jokes. It's a dance routine.
Eish, miliabona manje. Eish.
It's just a jokes.
Oh,
I said,
senkuka wena manje.
Nah, Kukami. Mike. Because we all can do this.
What's again? Lad. Ready?
Sure.
Team. Aw nga icapsa. Woza baba. Ngiyayigwisa.
Hayi ba. Bo. Okay.
Oh, lala yi.
Okay, potoro ngwisa.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Angeke.
Was Millie this side, Mike was a okay, so Kalango, eh? Market a meal, man get on cook yes.
Yeah. Cookie. Cookie.
Yes, please, sir.
Cookie.
Yes, please.
Cookie.
Joga.
Uyakuhleka ukuguga. Naku kuyahluleka. Sure.
In the air, boy.
Right. Ah, you want to cut it rib cage.
You little kid.
What's okay, guys? Screenshot, guys, links in there. Screenshot it. Sure. So who won?
Me.
Bro, we need air ventilation, bro. Ay.
Umlomo wakho unuka la.
Kapalako.
Yeah. Asikalma kwerana mina. Changing the game now.
Yeah, and it depends with the clear man. If me and I the joke is fun. If I don't laugh, the joke is not fun.
Yeah. Sunday.
I feel like 5 rand.
Sunday.
I feel like
Wena. Angina.
Okay.
Wena ni paint lamasotsha balifaka phakathi kwamanzi khalbo.
Nomnyama ngathi blue.
Ah, twana.
That's
Don't
funny.
do it in purpose.
Okay.
Don't do it.
Yeah. Neimpumulo ezinkulu mawenze so ngathi sign eMcDonald.
Nempumela ukuthi mangene pasi mbaka bakho bafihlile.
You killing me?
Wena nenhloko ebhasi inqondise back seat.
Ngeke stock sethe ingqondo ichepisi.
Wena nenhloko enkulu ngofasa ingcathulu ushaya isbackpack.
Okay, that's funny.
Okay.
Ah, twana leta.
No.
That was funny though. That was
Namponso mutu makhathi uthi le ndlela
they got you again. Trevor Millie. Yo, Millie Noah.
Okay.
Wena nobumnyama ngathi ilanga liqalekini.
Like
Come back.
Okay.
Yeah. Chayile.
I got
Chinex. Yo.
Mathaka asakudlule kasilako ngoba amathaka asakudlule kasilako ngoba uplan ngesikole.
Yo.
Yabona le mfundo zakho zinkulu.
Yo.
That's amaphoyisa yakusaba ngoba udubula ngayo.
Yo. What the no? Yo, that's funny, baba.
Ngithi bakho baphike papa ngeyibhanga.
Marusaleki.
Neindlebe ezinkulu indaba zakusasa sowuzizwile.
Endlebe ezide mawokha zaphaphatha. Mazaka.
Nobubi.
Dekhana egcela amanzi.
Nempumulo enkulu.
Namehlo.
Yo.
Yeah, awudli namhlanje. Yeah, awudli namhlanje ebusuku. Yeah.
Amazinga yelo mabheka phansi lamisingu.
Wena namazinya yenu ngathi sim card se-MTN.
Yo.
Yo.
Okay, cut.
Okay,
Ay.
Yeah.
You can say calm.
Yeah.
It's fine. Ngelamun. Okay, so who won? Who won between the two?
Me.
Who won?
Nenga uzikhuluma wakho ukuthi
Hayi chayile. Sizo kude bobana ubani owinile.
Banoni. Millie. Millie again. Millie again.
Ah, guys, umile uyine kanjalo umuntu bekakhuluma izinto ezibheke eceleni.
She was funny, but we were laughing. The jokes were not funny.
Yeah, just like your matrix results, eh?
Whoa, just like a grade 11.
Yeah!
At least I have a dad.
At least I have a mom.
Your dad ran away, bro.
Your mom doesn't love you.
No.
I graduated.
I have a sister who loves me.
I have a job.
I have money.
I have a car.
I have a Cavella and a Calendar and a Capechu. What do you have?
A Rolex.
What is this?
I have an Smart.
Yeesh.
Dog, I'm wearing a Louis Vuitton shirt.
I'm wearing a Louis Vuitton.
You think I'm joking? I'm wearing a Bugatti vest.
Ah.
It's Bugatti, not Bugatti. Bugatti's a car.
I said Bugatti.
Bugatti's a car.
Bugatti. Again.
You don't.
You say okay. You say
I
I
own
buy
it.
it.
I own it.
You say I buy it. Oh.
I have Balenciaga boots.
Yeesh. Oh shit.
Millie still winning, man. Sure. Hard luck.
Okay, what's that mean?
Better luck next time.
What's that mean?
I am glad Makorana.
So guys, start my gift, manje guys.
Yeah, yes, true.
Yo, go in this shows, guys. Chulugile, guys. Start my gift. Start my gift.
Mola mi wena.
Angel, no Casey.
And we love
you know,
I don't know, bro.
okay, guys. I'm not saying cartel.
Yo, Papa, Millie.
It was nice. Oh, thank you.
Send gifts, guys.
Send gifts, guys. Please, gifts.
Gifts. Yo.
Father figure.
Snoko.
Official one reverse to the man, to the patcher, there was one like it up in my one take your pack and pack and live a paper. I check out my department. I can fly on your house.
People don't come. One guys.
Ah. Soto.
Official one reverse to the man. To the patcher, live to one piece of opinion. One day your back and pack and live a paper. Got to play right there. I check out my department. I can fly like your house. Scan to the escape. I'm funny every day. I'm funny every day.
Go be nencwadi uzaziso.
Hello. Kunjani? Yep. In the shop. You know, like, can we eat? This is a card. You can eat everything.
Hi guys. Usase live kule yakho. Na yacisha kule.
Yeah, put on a pitch. Our corner with the 25 gifted rows. Yeah.
Okay guys, thank you to our
Thank you for the
participate.
25. Participate. Okay, relax. Breathe in. Out. Participate.
Guys, thank you to our participate.
Participate.
Gule live le. I'm about to
105,000 likes. Oh my god, bro. I've never reached that in my entire life of my existence, bro. Thank you, Laka, man.
what's in faith? You're welcome. Guys, sibonga laba abacommentile guys. It means a lot. Thank you, siyabonga. Uzobabayisa abantu mina.
But don't leave. Send gifts. Okay, we're gonna be live on this one.
If guys you wanna continue the live, search Gribes. Good Gribes, guys. So siqhubeka nge-live ka-Gribes. Nizosithola la. Sifuna ukuyibona ikhuphuka guys ifika ku 1000 guys. Mangivala le sicela le yangaphi ifike ku 1000 Gribes, go search Gribes. Gribes is live lapho. Yeah. Ne. So bye guys.
Bye bye guys. See you tomorrow.
If you want us, go to Grabs, search Grabs. Tell us if fixing 1K live.
Will it?
Let's see.
That would be crazy.
Tell us hi if you're coming from Mike's live. Tell us hi. Mobuya go live yam guys. From Mike's live. You go.
Okay, hi. How many?
550. Come on, guys. Let's get this live to 1K, guys. Come on, guys. Let's get this live to 1K, guys. Let's get this live to 1K, guys. 600. Aseni. Sondela wanangulu. Sondela.
I'm looking, bro.
Let's get this live to 1K, guys. Let's get this live to 1K. 1K, Bangan Bami. Come on. 670. Asieni baba. Asieni baba. Asieni baba. 685. Ozo bakulela until izifika 1K ke. Was 700.
So I don't wanna use it now. I'm looking right in the eye you have for me.
Woo!
The vacancy is set in my heart.
Woo!
Get Gossett.
Cancel. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Don't wanna lose you now.
Woo!
I'm looking right in the eye you have for me. The vacancy inside of my heart, and the space in my heart.
Woo!
Show me how to fight for now.
Woo!
And I'll tell you, baby, cause it's easy. Baby, making sure you had to figure it out. You were right here all along.
Mango, oh, Kala, when I was Dala, Leo me. Kokala, when I was Dala, me. What the Oh.
Hey, he's a more sugar talking.
Go wakala when I me. Why get me?
Yo, we're close to 800 viewers.
Yo, guys, I see 102. Guys, I see fixing 200
people.
200 people, guys.
Hey, my man. Your colors in the bed.
Oh, man.
Your colors in the bed.
Make another goal so I can send more gifts. No, okay, man,
I can't.
No, but I should make another gift. Gold gift. It's me. Mama. Yeah. Okay, confirm. Okay, I sent the thing. 811 guys.
How about Mealy? Start the crucial song, then we pick up. Yeah?
Emma mama.
Kolonga Kalisi la, pona Kolingoma, so pick up. Ay, pause.
Emma mama.
Chichingo.
Wow.
Hey.
Okay.
Zambamba. Iyo. Zambamba. Zambamba. Iyo. Zambamba. Zambamba.
I've never heard that. He has updated in a little good.
Zambamba.
Yo, thank you for the gift.
Zambamba. Iyo. Zambamba. Zambamba. Iyo.
Yo, 155. Yo.
Zambamba.
Liola, Badala,
Change.
Now, Mike is gonna start the song, then we release.
Which one?
Any Gucci song or any song you want us to do.
Engcelo sulezo nyembe.
Husu.
Engcelo sulezo nyembe.
Engcelo sulezo
nyembe zo mamu yaka. Ay mani elo zumbe. Why. Anna energy, Anna that. Ingoma is simple, me.
Even if it's not good, we're gonna back you up. Ubo Shuma Elifange. No,
Kikimba
no clients.
Yakazi Kikimba me.
What?
You know, Kikimba, I move, I move. Cool, Mili. No my team, but cool, no my team. Hey, no my team,
You're finishing my mind. Yo, sorry. Thank you for the gifted rose. You know what, guys? To everyone who's like who gifted, I'm gonna follow them. Follow back.
Nice.
Thank you.
Somebody's coming.
Yeah. Tina masata siye peris, sebo big so sidi nyambening, sidi mba kizo dalagi gutanda, wena wetwa, au yenda, lutali. Luta, Nizo dalagi gutada. Wena wetwa, Chueka. Ay. Athande, wathi nje athande mina. nguwe ingondo yami nguwe hamba wena hamba wena hamba
Yo, guys, 800 viewers, bro. I've never.
awuqalisela thando shem qalisela thando shem yo hayi nice yo uyicula kamnandi shem nevoice embi cula thando man cula thando
But you sing Cocoa Butter.
I miss my cocoa butter and it's dying
Cocoa
down you miss it
I miss my Cocoa Butter kisses when you smile, when you miss me. I know competition.
Happy for your passion in it now. That's Kulishela me.
I'll be peeping. Ain't be the
Kulishela.
same girl who been on
Sheila
the
Bella. Ay, oh la la, oh la la. Wabele kwati yo bachele kaya. Yifuna ukuthi sibe ndawonye. Amehlo ikusasa elikhanyayo. Shela phela sazane kangcono. Awu shela phela. Shela phela sazane kangcono. Awu shela phela. Ay, Iza. Egiti, who's your favorite Prada?
Ooh, my key.
Egiti, who's your best Prada? Egiti, say my name. I'll say my name. Egiti, who's your best sister?
Ooh, Millie.
Egiti, who's your favorite sister? Egiti, say my name. Egiti, say my name.
Okay, him. You guys still remember the come on,
Hey.
Hey, come on, oh my God, bro.
Wanna take out? Umil.
Não tá na mania. Come on, there you go. Hamba chuba.
900, boy, bogo 900.
Yo. What song should we sing? Sing him Tagama.
Yeah, go ahead. Is it enough? Chapa.
Marcela.
Raba blaka go it's too late, you know.
Okay, let's do a funny additional. Ungubani wen. Wakwabani wen. Utumega Tony. We trust 1K.
Ngingu Mike himna. Wase Ivory. Ngitume ngokenzani ngitume ngani mina?
Tumanga next. Kalsela. Ungubani wen. Wakwabani wen. Utumega Tony. Ungubani wen. Wakwabani wen. Utumega Tony.
Ipistole.
Uy, misele.
Tana unagan. Ay, namasetiwa. Kunjani dale yokpila. Seng saba no komita.
Namasetiwa.
Kunjani dale Mire kula ile to. Kula ingoma yakana lady. Yakana lady yiwani.
You make me back
Yeah.
You make me back You make up. One, two,
Absolutely, yeah.
one, two, two. You make me buck
Go
a loco.
loco.
You make my heart go loco. You make my brain go. I can't leave you without you. No. Why you like it, dude? I wanna show you something. When you go, I can follow, baby.
Ngisekusela ukuthi ufike kwa-NK.
Yo, guys.
But I'm cool.
Mili.
Hmm?
Mili.
Yeah.
Nesiphongo.
There's two more.
Hey, okay. Okay.
Sisela live mntana.
Yes, sir. Hear me.
Uthi sibanaki phela abantu.
Pause the game.
Letha mina ngidlale mina.
Udliwe mos las bakorile man fiasa khona.
Hey, so you're not him?
And both goals are scored by me.
Maya usho.
Amalanga wafani.
My feather.
Ngibukele iphansi.
Nami ngizoba mnandi.
Mafezeke lakho.
Elami.
Oh, sorry. Bro.
Yathanda kanjalo.
Angizwa man. Yo.
Hayi man, yafele fuse. Angizwa man.
Bizomandla mini azobona.
Seyisukile.
Bizomandla mini azobona.
Seyisukile.
Yavele fuse.
Hayi man.
Ya fuse.
Angizwa man.
Yavele fuse.
Hayi man.
Ya fuse.
Anginizwa kahle.
Yafele.
Fuse.
Hayi man.
Ya.
Fuse.
Angizwa man.
Yafele fuse.
Hayi man.
Ya. Fuse.
Angizwa man.
Yafele fuse.
Hayi man.
Ya. Fuse.
Angizwa man.
Yafele fuse.
Hayi man.
Ya.
Fuse.
Angizwa man.
Yavele fuse.
Angizwa man.
Ya.
Fuse.
Hayi man.
Yafele fuse.
Angizwa man.
Ya. Fuse.
Hayi man.
Yavele fuse.
Awona siyathukana manje hayi wona siyathukana hayi.
Cut.
Kathukana kakhulu mina hayi. Lo fuse kwakhe yamdosa. Fuse.
Ngiyathiza kuwe.
Hayi ngathi uthuka mina phela.
Buti, ngiyakhohlwa nge-homework.
Mina uthe ufethu ukunceda mase.
Usendile.
Ini?
Okay. Ngona so yenze.
Yeah, yenze ke hayibo.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Babuzowabayisa abantu kahle la.
Bayisa kahle. Uthi bakusenda ama gift yahamba.
Guys. Bye, guys. See you when...
Ewe ifriendly le.
Championship.
Bye-bye, guys.
European Championship.
Egrand
Have a
drop.
nice day.
Egrand
Good
drop.
Hayi
night.
kufre. Antana mna ngikora mina
Ngingakhohlisa
ngikakontrol.
nama-gifts.
Kanti ubani ungeka kwa.
Ma ukwazi ukora ke game. Sazokora makuthi. Mara ke utro ekran. Ungestop. Stop.
Hayi singe starting is shy.
Goodbye. Hey Samu. Hey Leslie, what's going on?
Bani ubiza ngigama lakho straight.
Yo, in front of so many people, bro. Yo,
How many?
in front of 800 people, bro.
Yes, I'm phone.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for everyone who participated. Thank you for every gift sender. Thank you to everyone, man. Thank you for the live. We're gonna do it again. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Happy birthday, Beyonce. Okay, guys. It was nice chilling with you today. We're gonna do this maybe tomorrow. You get me? So thank you. Enjoy. Unite. Thank you to gift senders. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Like how many minutes?